Welcome back to the Learning Hub. This is Chapter 3 of our Excel learning program. In this chapter, we are going to learn about the delete function, and here we will show how you can use the delete function. Please click on the subscribe button, and hit the bell icon to get a notification of new videos. If you select rows and columns, and if you hit the delete button it will delete only the values from the cell, it will not delete rows and columns. Let's press Ctrl Z and undo, and let's see if you want to delete one particular cell. You can just select and go to the delete option under the home menu, and delete the cell. To delete the cell it gives you a couple of options. One default option is to shift cells up. Other than that you will see shift cell left, and delete the entire row. Let's use these functions one by one. If you delete a cell and select the entire row, it will delete the entire row. Let's undo it. And if you select any other option to delete a cell, shift cell left means, like it will delete the cell B2, and it will shift these cells to left. And if you see all these have been shifted here, as I mentioned, you will see the scenario where you will experience, where you need to delete multiple columns, but the columns are in between and you just press the Control key and select multiple columns to delete. But when you try deleting a single column, it will deselect all other columns. Whenever you are in a scenario, where you need to select multiple columns and delete all of them, try using this function. Just drop down, and even if you want to delete rows, you can delete the rows using delete drop down under the home menu. You can use the same functions. You can select as many rows as you wish to delete all other rows together. I can just drag until here, or if you delete particular rows, let's see if you delete 2, 4, 6, and 8, you can just drop down and click on the delete sheet rows. And this is how it will delete all the sheet rows. Similarly, you can use the same trick to delete all of your columns as well. If you wish to delete multiple columns, either all together or you want to select columns A, C, D, and G, you can delete with the same function. You can just click on the delete sheet column, and it will delete without disturbing your selection, or without deselecting your selected areas. To delete just click on the delete sheet column, and this is how you can use the delete function to delete your cell, rows, or delete your column. If you want to delete only the data, you can select as many rows and columns and just hit the delete key on the keyboard. But as I mentioned, this will not delete the entire rows and columns. In fact, it will not delete any formatting as well. You need to be careful at the time of deleting the cell. Let's see, if you want to delete the cell number D3, and you select to delete a cell, if you just select any option accidentally, it may disturb your entire data. Let's see if you use the default option to shift cell up, and see here, all this formatting and all the data have been disturbed. And if you have put multiple formulas in the sheet, then you might see some kind of disturbance in your data. So make sure whenever you are deleting any cell, choose the option either you want to delete only one cell, or delete the entire row, or you want to delete an entire column, or you shift the cell up or you shift the cell left. These are the functions that you really need to take care of at the time of deleting your data. For deleting your cell or rows, the best preferred method is just to select your selection to delete, and use this delete function under the home menu. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video which will cover the basic mathematic operations. You will find the links in the description for the previous and next chapters. If you have not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to get the notification for new videos.